Hello everyone, myself Khushi. I am a law student in IME Law College and I am here as a legal intern in very popular law firm Lexis and Company. In this video, we will discuss the defense against the defamation. This is the part 2 video. In part 1 video, we will discuss that what is the meaning of defamation, what is the kinds of defamation, and what is the essentials of defamation. In this video, we will discuss the defense against the defamation in the civil law. The offense of defamation is not the absolute, and the certain exceptions have been carved out the same, which is includes, we can say, the justification of the truth, making fair comment, and privilege. So these three, the exception in the defamation, or we can say the defense against the defamation. So we will discuss this three exceptions one by one. So first is the justification of the truth. The truth is an absolute defense of the offense of the defamation is normal. It means that if the statement is true, irrespective of the fact whether it is the derogatory or a cheap, the offense of the defamation can never take place in the defamation. In case of civil defamation, it is well settled law that if the statement is proved true, then the charge of the defamation automatically gets removed from the defendant, because the law cannot punish an individual for speaking the truth. The law gives the full right and permission that anyone can ask the truth, and they can publish, they can also refer to the plaintiff. It is not come under the case of defamation if anyone speaks the truth. However, talking about in the criminal law, the truth merely not proving or solve the purpose, and beside this the person need to show the statement was made on a bona fide manner. In case of Hisham Tiwari versus Eknath, the court held that if the defendant cannot prove the validity of the statement, then it will be presumed that the intention was malice. The first exception is the statement. The justification is always true and it is always truth. Next is the making fair comment. The term fair comment involves making or putting one's option in the matter relating to our national interest, that this is a valid defense against the defense of defamation. For taking this exception, one needs to prove the following things. The first is it must be a comment. In other words, it comes that it shall be an expression of opinion rather than exertion of fact. That it is always the expression of opinion. Don't try to speak the session of fact. The second one is the comment must be fair and it should not be based upon the untrue fact. It is always fair and it not based on the untrue fact. Third one is the matter commented upon must relate to the public interest. Matters like administration of government department, courts, ministers, public meeting, textbooks, etc. falls under the admit the public interest also. So the next one exception or defense against the defamation is the privilege. The word privilege means giving a special status. This special status is generally according when the law feels that the right of that there is a right of freedom of speech, and the is overweight the right against the defamation. These privilege are generally of two types: the absolute privilege and qualified privilege. We talking about the absolute privilege. In this matter, complete immunity in given to a person speaking, no action for the defamation can lie against him. Means they can speak anything they can speak which is a defamatory, but they have a full immunity. They are completely against any charges of the defamation. The parliamentary proceeding. As per the Article 105 of the Indian Constitution, the parliamentaries, the member of parliamentary, the MP, the MPs can speak anything during the course of the business of parliament, and no action of the defamation would lie against them. Next is the judicial proceeding. In judicial proceeding also, this is a protection has been according to the judges, counsel, witnesses, parties to suit under the Judicial Officer or Protection Act 1850. Means in the parliamentary proceeding, in the judicial proceeding, any statement given by anyone, it is not considered as a defamatory. Means they have the complete immunity against the charges of the defamation on the defendant. This is called the absolute privilege, which comes under in the two cases, in the two places, which is the parliamentary proceeding and second is the judicial proceeding. Next one is the qualified privilege. Qualified privilege, in this type of the privilege, through the immunity is given to the speaker. It is not absolute in a nature, means in a qualified in a nature for availing this defense. The issue take with person needs to prove that the statement has been made without an element of malice. Mean the malice intention not include in the statement. They must have to prove it. This is called the qualified privilege. Now we are going to talk the punishment for the defamation, that which punishment decided by the court for the crime, for the wrong of the defamation. The punishment for the criminal defamation is provided under the section 500. And if we're talking about the civil wrong, the defamation under the civil wrong, it is based on the case laws and a common law. In the criminal law, section 500 of Indian Penal Code 1860, if it is proved that if the accused is guilty of the offense, the defamation before the court, then he and she will be bear the following punishment, like imprisonment of a period of 2 years, the fine, or we can say both. So guys, in this video we are discuss that what is the defense which present against the defamation, like verification of the truth and in fair comment and privilege. And we or also discuss that which punishment decided under the criminal law for the defamation. So this is all about the defamation. I hope that after watching this video, the defamation now clear for you. After that, if you have any problem, any query regarding this topic, then you have to ask me in a comment box, and I will give my best to answer it. A very thank you to all to watching this video.